Alright, what's going on, traders? Pretty, low momentum in the markets today in the morning session, across the board. You can see here on the Nasdaq, mostly the Nasdaq and the S&P, um, even a little bit the Dow. Yeah, well, not so much, but the Dow as well. Um, you know, pretty much traded sideways for most of the morning, other than the initial pop in the first few minutes of the open. Russell had a pretty good break to the Russell had a pretty good break to the short side. Probably had the best move out of all of the indices. Um, it looks like we're trying to continue some bearish move right now, but it's getting rejected. But I was looking at Nasdaq for the most part of the day. All right, so looking at the daily, um, you can see we're trading. We had a nice little we're trading down to back to the daily 9 EMA. Retesting that moving average again. Um, so we'll be watching to. I'll be watching to see how we react to the daily 9 EMA throughout the rest of the day. But I am done trading. I'm not going to trade anymore for the day. I was able to squeeze out a little bit of green in the slow momentum or in the light momentum, like in the last few minutes um, of the morning session before lunchtime. Um, so yeah, we're trading back down there. We got a nice healthy bearish candle right now. So I'll be watching to see what happens in this area. Also, if you look left, we have this looks like a good support area as well. All right, so looking at the 5 minute for today or the 4 minute. So this is at we let's see, at the bell. We traded sideways for a little bit, and then we had a nice little pop lower. Um, so I'll go ahead and move on over to Sierra chart and show you the trade that I took there. I don't know why this window adjusted on me. I don't know if you can see this, but let's see. Actually, because the display keeps adjusting for some reason. Since I'm using a VM, can't really see it that well. All right, so the first trade I took was I tried to go short here on the pullback. I had the right timing. I mean, not I had the move right, but my timing was wrong. Or in relation to where I had my stop loss. So I got filled, and it immediately pulled back and stopped me out. And I didn't try to get back in it. I kind of felt like well, just according to my rules, I can't get out. I can't place an order in on the same candle that I got stopped out. So I ended up missing the move because even though I had even though I had the direction right, my timing was wrong. So I ended up getting stopped out there. And then we were just chopping around for a long time. Um, I played this one kind of speculating that would be there could be a break to there could be a break out of this pennant pattern that was forming at the time. I got filled and it traded down to some. I was in some good profits. Went ahead and moved my stop loss to break even. So I only, and it pulled back really hard. So I only ended up getting a scalp there. And then I was gonna be done for the day. I was kind of, I was like red $90 at that time, and I didn't feel like we were. I thought we were gonna, roll over and trade higher with all this resistance here. But then I saw this opportunity here, and I went ahead and decided to take the break right here to the bearish side. And that's the play that put me back green on the day. So the biggest takeaway for me today is that I actually traded my strategy according to plan. And so whether I was green or red today, as long as I did that, it was a that's for me that's a good day. So um, yeah, right now like it looks like we're trying to continue trading bearish, but we are getting some more resistance. To continue trading, short today. At this time, we're down more than 1%, so we can be, this could be the end of the um, this could be the end of the move today, or I think we could roll over and at least have a pullback up in here into like the 100 or maybe the VWAP. Oh no, this is the 50 simple moving average or the VWAP. Um, but right now the bears are trying to continue to push the market down. So I've been watching that, won't trade it, but I'll be watching to see what happens, and then I get back at it tomorrow. Hopefully we see a little better momentum tomorrow. But until then, if you're still out there trading, trade your plan, stick to the plan, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Deuces.